Now, let's find delta y and dy. So, the question states that we have to find delta y and dy for the following cases. Y is equal to x squared minus 1 when x changes from 3 to 3.02. Now, when x changes from 3 to 3.02, what is the value of delta y and what is the value of dy when y is equal to x squared minus 1? I have to be very clear about this question. See, we have the value of x, the initial value of x as 3, and since x changes from 3 to 3.02, the value of delta x is equal to 3.02 minus 3 because that is the change in x, and that is equal to 0.02. Now, as you already know, dx is equal to delta x. This is very important. Now, y plus delta y is equal to x plus delta x whole square minus 1 because, as you know, from differentiation, by definition, you will replace y with y plus delta y and x with x plus delta x. So this x squared becomes x plus delta x whole square. And this minus 1 remains as it is. Now, delta y, when you take this y to the right hand side, it turns into minus y. And delta y remains on the left hand side. Now, as you know, the equation for y was y is equal to x squared minus 1. So you can replace this y with x squared minus 1, and this is why you get this. Now, you will open this bracket, so this negative sign will be multiplied with x squared and minus 1. So this minus 1 becomes positive 1. Now, this minus 1 and this positive 1 will cancel out, and so you'll be left with this x plus delta x whole square minus x square. And so this is basically the value for delta y that you get. Now, that was the expression for delta y. Now let's find the value of delta y. As you know, the value of x plus delta x was 3 plus 0.02, and that is whole square minus x square, so 3 square. Now, this turns out to be equal to 0.1204. This is the value of delta y. Now let's find dy. Take the differential on both sides of this equation. So dy, so obviously this y will become dy, and you'll have dx square over here and d of 1. So, as you know, that when you take the derivative of x square, you basically just get 2x into dx, because obviously this is not dy by dx, this is just the differential of x squared. And so the differential, for example, the differential of say x cubed, that would be equal to 3x squared dx. And so you have the differential of x squared, so the differential of x squared, you'll apply the power rule, and hence you'll get 2x dx. And the differential of a constant is 0, so that is why we do not consider it. So dy is equal to 2x dx, and since dx is equal to delta x, that is one of the rules, you'll get this. Remember that the value of delta x was equal to 0.02, the value of x was equal to 3, and this is 2, this 2, and so you get the value of dy equal to 0.12. Now you can see that 0.1204 is approximately equal to 0.12. 1204 is approximately equal to 0.12, and hence you have proven the rule that dy is approximately equal to delta y.